To better understand the SAP on Google Cloud Platform ecosystem, let's create the SAP on Google Cloud Platform circle, which helps in driving migrations, transformations, and innovations. The SAP on Google Cloud Platform circle comprises of 4 key dimension pillars. Number 1 is a resilient and reliable infrastructure. Number 2 is analytics. Number 3 is integration. And number 4 is the solution assets accelerators. It is important to understand the strategic partnership between SAP and Google Cloud Platform. Both SAP and Google Cloud Platform share a commitment to promote customer success and growth and help them achieve their migrations, their digital transformations, and their innovations. Both the organizations have invested and are co-innovating in various areas. Google Cloud Platform has become one of the hyperscaler choice for customers coming across industries to drive and adopt RISE for SAP along with SAP's business technology platform. The strategic partnership has become more stronger with a recent announcement by SAP and Google Cloud Platform, where SAP is supporting the open data and AI initiative of Google Cloud, complementing Google Cloud's data clouds offerings. Google Cloud Platform has a resilient infrastructure which spans more than 200 countries. As of June 2023, Google has 37 data center regions all over the globe with 112 availability zones and 187 network edge locations. In India, we have 2 data center regions, one in Mumbai, one in Delhi, and both these data center regions exist in different seismic zones. Both of them are MITRE compliant, adhering to government regulations and compliance, and both these data center regions have 3 availability zones. Both the data center regions carry with them the SAP HANA Scalability up to 12 terabytes of virtualization RAM. When a customer is looking to create a high availability offering for SAP HANA, RISE offering or non-RISE offering, these data center regions have the power and capability to help a customer drive their SAP HANA migrations of various scale, high availability, disaster recovery, and these data center regions are carbon neutral. Google gives a lot of emphasis on sustainability. Google Cloud Platform has been carbon neutral since 2007 and it aims to be carbon free by year 2030. One of the key differentiator of Google Cloud Platform is the concept of global virtual private cloud. Whenever you create any offering on Google Cloud, by default the deployment creates a virtual private cloud which is not tied to a data center region. It is a global VPC. The advantages of having a global VPC are performance, less cost, and security. Live migration is used as a cloud native feature to help customer achieve high availability when hosts are being updated or new patches are being installed. Another key feature of Google is the availability of custom VMs. There are three storage offerings which are relevant to an SAP deployment: the object storage, the persistence disk storage, and the shared file storage. Google Cloud Platform has a cloud native offering of a shared file storage called FileStore, which is SAP certified, where for SAP deployments a shared mount needs to be used. To support a customer's backup and disaster recovery scenarios, Google has got their storage defined in classes. Basis a customer's backup policy and their data retention policy, these storage classes can be used. From a connectivity perspective, Google Cloud Platform offers customers a dedicated bandwidth pipe and an internet-enabled bandwidth pipe. Google Cloud Platform's core security foundation rests on protecting the customer's workload, relevant security controls which can be applied with policies to protect their key niche workloads, and then adhering to the compliance requirement. A typical use case for customers, enterprise customers, is that they have data silos running in different data boundaries. They have their SAP data estates, they have their non-SAP data estates, and they want to bring these data silos together to help get rich business insights from these various data sets. With Google's rich set of AI and ML offerings and consolidation of the customer's dataset boundaries, Google has worked on various accelerators and solution assets. With experience coming from various industries, Google Cloud has built technology-led accelerators and solution assets which drive and help a customer achieve their business outcomes through rich business insights. And the launchpad for this innovation is the Cortex framework, which comes with accelerators, solution assets in the form of AI and machine learning models. Google Cloud Platform has a cloud native offering called Apigee, which is a leader as per Gartner in the cloud native API integration suite. Apigee complements with SAP HANA integration needs. Business technology platform, which comes with Rise with SAP, is an integration framework which can be used to implement integration use cases for SAP HANA. Business technology platform BTP, as of June 2023, is only available in India, in the Indian geography context, is only available in Google Cloud Platform's Mumbai region. To help customers achieve their cloud migrations with ease and security, Google Cloud Platform has created automation deployment scripts which are based upon the open source Terraform infrastructure as code and Google Cloud Platform Deployment Manager. Actifio from Google Cloud is another service which helps customer achieve their backup needs. It helps customer achieve their disaster recovery needs with respect to efficient RPO and RTO. Other solution assets which helps democratize AI for cloud developers is ABAP SDK from Google Cloud. To summarize, we discussed the 4-dimension pillars of SAP on Google Cloud Platform. All these pillars complement each other. These dimension pillars are used to accelerate cloud migrations, to accelerate SAP's digital transformations, to accelerate data-led innovations on Google Cloud Platform.